Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Want to find an effective flat stomach diet in just 4 days? And finally get rid of your belly fat? Whether it's for aesthetic or health reasons, we've put together 7 tips for you to get rid of your little belly fat. Obviously, you can't do miracles in 4 days. A flat belly diet requires more time and effort, for real results in the long term. However, it is possible to improve the appearance of your belly in just a few days, thanks to small changes that make all the difference. Here are our diet tips to get a flat stomach in 4 days. Rebalance your diet, eat good fat and enough protein, drink enough water, decrease your salt intake but increase your fiber intake, and finally exercise. Looking for more information? You can read, Lose Belly in 1 Week, 5 Effective Methods for Women. Rebalance your diet on complex carbohydrates. Focus. Choose foods made of wholemeal flour, with a lower glycemic index. This means that your feeling of satiety will last longer, you will be less likely to break down because you are hungry. This would be rather counterproductive for a flat stomach diet, wouldn't it? During the 4 days, eat whole grain bread, brown rice or whole grain pasta. In addition, whole grains contain much more fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals than more refined grains, white flour. They are therefore much more nutritious. Learn more in our best web in description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.